Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is now 2 minutes past 12, and let us continue. So, welcome. Thank you guys for joining us. I appreciate it very much. It's quite exciting, the topic that we're talking about today. We will be speaking about the design to machining workflow using Fusion 360, specifically a nice little showcase with regards to how to go through the process of design or idea, creating an idea all the way through to having the finished part in your hand. We will speak a little bit, I'll give you a little bit of introduction of who I am, who we are, and then we'll be talking about Fusion 360, what it is, and then the different steps that we follow in the process where we take things from our heads or an idea through to something that is tangible, whether you want to sell it or you just want to use it. It's not a thing. Then there's a quick recording of a milling operation or a list of milling operations that we've done as a exhibition some time ago, last week. And then we'll talk a little bit about how we can help you, and then speak about the key takeaways from the session. So as an introduction, my name is Ajay. I am a mechanical engineering with some experience in design and manufacturing. I have worked as a project engineer before, as well as a project installations manager. I have an engineering qualification with a little bit of postgrad stuff as well. Moving on, we at Baker Baynes, we are predominantly software and hardware reseller with consulting as well as some education being done. We are a Autodesk Gold partner. We work with Leica and Clear Edge as partners. And in the consulting space, we work with people and assist with what you as a customer or as an individual needs for your workshop or whatever manufacturing system that you've got in place. We work with CAD/CAM data management, simulation, BIM consulting, and so on. So we are predominantly working with the companies that we see on the left-hand side, as I said before, Autodesk, Leica, but then there's Cool Orange and CAD Learning as well. Now, in the education space, we also do a lot of accredited and virtual training, accredited classroom and virtual trainings, and we also assist with customized user-based specified training as well. And as you can see with CAD Learning, we have a self-paced e-learning portal that we are also the distributors of that you can leverage with ease. You will find us mostly in the manufacturing, energy, process plant, civil, and building environments. Fusion 360, what is it? What is Fusion 360? For those of you who actually answered in the affirmative that you are Fusion 360 users professionally or hobbyist-wise, you already know what it is. But the official or formal definition of Fusion 360 is it is a collaborative cloud-enabled 3D CAD/CAM CAE and PCB software that is distributed or developed and distributed by Autodesk. Fantastic little tool and great bang for buck with what you get with it. Let's now get into it a little bit more, a little bit deeper, and let's talk about Fusion 360 and what it is exactly. So, Fusion 360 has modules that allow you to do concept designs, 3D modeling, simulation, manufacturing outputs, generative design, collaboration, or data management and electronics. So you've got the PCB design in Fusion 360 that allows you to define and design a printed circuit board. With the sort of functionality that was previously held in, or currently also as well, held in the Eagle software package. All of these tools and modules are so well integrated that you're able to do a part or an assembly, moving part, and design the circuit in situ, i.e. in the same environment. So you're able to do all of those things all in one. For a individual person who has a small operation all the way to a large organization, Fusion 360 can handle it all. If you wanted to, you talk about it, I was speaking about an idea through to manufacturing or production. This allows it from leveraging the CAD capabilities, the CAE, the CAM capabilities, as well as the data and collaboration capabilities that Fusion 360 has. You're able to collaborate with people that are sitting thousands and thousands of kilometers away from you. You can have a situation where somebody is designing something from Vietnam and we can still manufacture it out in SA, as long as all of the parameters are correctly used. We will speak a little bit about parameters along the course of the day. In short, Fusion 360 can move your business and industry forward. So today, we will be speaking a little bit about the concept of the machining and the manufacturing concept of part of Fusion 360, from concept design, 3D modeling, simulation, all the way through to manufacturing. So, concept design. An idea is formed. What is an idea? What is a concept? You're trying to solve a problem, or in some instances, if you can work it backwards, you can have an idea and then create a problem to solve with the idea. So either way, the first design step is to know what you want to do. And in doing so, the first thing that you need to know about Fusion 360 as well is the fact that it's actually parametrically set up. This is a parameter-based modeling program. So whether it's your sketching or your features and forms that you'd like to actually work with, you model them with parameters. So the first question is, what is a parameter? It is a numerical value which defines a physical property or a geometric property that you're able to actually control things using maths. And in this case, we use variables to do this. Now, the variable can be numerical, it can be also equation based, and therefore your forms and features can be linked using mathematical relationships, which in many instances, when you're doing modeling, allows you a large amount of freedom, saves a lot of time as well. In that, when you are creating something with links, let's say, for example, the length and the breadth of something are linked to each other, you can use equations to define the ratio so that the ratio remains exactly the same. And all you need to do is